If you are planning to buy the best Bluetooth portable speaker, then trust me, this video is made exactly for you because today I'm showing you some of the most powerful, stylish and truly budget friendly speaker in the market. Compact in size but absolute monster in sound. And yes, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. So amazing videos like this keep reaching you on time. Alright, let's get started. If you are looking for a portable Bluetooth speaker that is compact, easy to carry and gives seriously powerful sound, then this Portonic Sound Drum one will definitely impress you. Let's start with the sound output. It comes with 12-watt powerful audio which gives you clear vocals, punchy bass and a full 360-degree surround sound experience. Whether you are listening indoors, in the balcony or in a small outdoor gathering, the sound spreads equally in every corner. For connectivity, you get Bluetooth 5.3 which gives fast pairing, stable connection and zero lag streaming. And if your phone's Bluetooth is off or you want to listen to offline music, no problem. It also has USB drive playback support. Charging is Type-C fast charging, so the speaker charges quickly and you can enjoy music without waiting. The design is compact, lightweight and travel friendly, so you can carry it anywhere, gym, trips, home party, anywhere. And the best part, this speaker costs only $899. So if you want a speaker that is compact, stylish and delivers powerful sound, this one is definitely worth considering. Best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. And the next is Mivy Play Bluetooth speaker. Its audio output may be small, but the clarity and punch it delivers gives you a genuinely immersive music experience. Vocals stay clean and the bass is surprisingly strong. You also get 12 hours of non-stop playtime, meaning you can enjoy music all day with zero tension. Connectivity is super fast thanks to latest Bluetooth support. Design wise, this speaker is ultra portable and lightweight. Pocket में डालो, bag में रख लो और carry it in your hand, it fits everywhere. It also comes with a built-in mic, so you can take calls easily without holding your phones. Hands-free calling is smooth and clear, and yes, it's a made in India product with premium build quality and long-lasting durability. This speaker costs only $799, which honestly is a value for money deal considering all the features. Best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. And if you are looking for a Bluetooth speaker that's not just loud but truly powerful, punchy and premium, then this Boatstone 352 Pro, 358 Pro is honestly a beast. Starting with the 14-watt Boat signature sound, the moment you play it, you instantly feel clear vocals, deep bass and room-filling sound, and the RGB lights instantly upgrade the whole vibe. Coming to battery backup, you get up to 12 hours of playtime, so full day music without worrying about charging. It also has TWS mode, and if you pair two speakers, your indoor party becomes a whole new level. Double sound, double bass and double fun. It has a built-in mic so you can take calls hands-free. Connectivity options include Bluetooth 5.3, TF card and aux. And best of all, it comes with IPX5 splash resistance. Take it to the gym, outdoors, poolside. It performs strongly everywhere. Charging is Type-C which makes it fast and easy. All these powerful features comes at just $1,699, which makes this value for money deal. Best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. Another fantastic Bluetooth speaker you should definitely consider, Tribit X Sound Go speaker. Let's start with its sound quality. It gives 16-watt powerful stereo output, crystal high crisp mids and rich bass with zero distortion even at full volume. Tribit has added a new DSP chip which makes the audio more tuned, punchy and immersive. Connectivity is excellent with the latest Bluetooth 5.3 giving a massive 150 feet range. It also has a built-in mic and provides an insane 24 hours playtime. This Tribit speaker comes with IPX7 waterproof rating. Design wise, it is lightweight, compact, travel friendly and easy to carry anywhere. It also works with the Tribit app, so you get customization, EQ tuning and more, and all this for just $3,299. Best buying link is in the description, check it out. And of course, when we talk about speakers, how can we skip Sony? Let's talk about the Sony SRS XB100. Starting with its build quality and portability, this speaker is literally travel ready, compact, lightweight and comes with a multi-way strap. You can hang it on your back, carry it on your hand or even hang it on a tree branch during trips. The sound fires downward and fills the space beautifully. Sony gives you extra bass and clear audio output, vocals, beats, bass drops. Everything sounds clean, punchy and distortion free. It offers up to 16 hours battery backup and the battery percentage is clearly visible on your phone. It is fully IP67 waterproof and dustproof. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.3 and fast pair, and you can pair a second speaker for stereo mode. It also has a high quality built-in mic for clean hands-free calling. Charging is USB Type-C. Sony's premium speaker comes at just $2,989. Link is in the description, you can check it out. If you can slightly increase your budget, then this premium portable speaker is the best of the best, something you can buy with your eyes closed. Marshall Emerton 2 speaker. Starting with the signature Marshall sound, this small speaker gives 360-degree true stereophonic audio. Sit anywhere in the room, you get the same rich, clear and loud sound. Battery life is crazy. One charge gives you 30 plus hours, and when you need to charge it, fully charges in just 3 hours. Design wise, Marshall made it tough and stylish, and it comes with IP67 dust and waterproof ratings. Its most fun features is stack mode. If your friends also have an Emerton 2, you can connect all of them and create a multi-speaker party mode. Price is around 14,999, and honestly, considering the premium look, solid battery and powerful sound, it's definitely worth it. Link is in the description, go check it out. So these were the best portable Bluetooth speakers in the market, and honestly, each one is killer in its own category. You can choose any of these depending on your budget and requirement. All the best buying links are given in the description, you can check them out. If this video helpful, make sure to like and share, and if you have any doubt, just comment. I'm always ready to help you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I always bring honest and real tech reviews for you. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.